We're staying here at Whistly Airbnb. A quick maputi yung face ko kasi naka sunblock. Setup niya, no? He has cottages here. Mura lang yung we paid, parang 1,200 online sa isang room, then additional room is 1,900 only additional. Okay. Then you have open na sala here. The internet connection, Kiars, is so Kiars,
it's fast.
Your review?
Very nice.
Very nice daw, no? Then may motor rental siya, is 350. Ito yung motorcycle rental niya. And what is good, no? Homey siya yung place. Ito yung plans na bibigay ng may-ari sa akin. Yun na, rubber condo yan, lalaki. Dadala ako niyan, no? Parang gift ng may-ari. So this place again is in front of Don Rio Hotel in Siquijor. Mas pricey doon. Kami naman is convenience kasi dumating kami gabi na rin, no? Here, mga almost 8 PM. Then we book last minute na rin while we're taking the Roro from Dumaguete. So he has rooms. Yung owner dito is dating seaman. Meron siyang room dito na mga good for barkada, no? This one good for 6 to 8 people, you know. Highly recommended. In fact, sa Airbnb exceptional yung rating niya, no? Dito yung place. And
176 pa.
May kitchen siya si Mr. Ano, imo ba na kanang whiskey mo ba na?
Wilson.
Wilson. Kuha rin kog kuan kay mo inom kog tubig. Si Mr. Wilson is para akong ma-endorse akong vlog ba. si Mr. Wilson is dating seaman, no? Tapos what is nice sa place niya dito, may kusina siya. Tapos kuha lang ng presyo pa, no? Kuha lang kami tapos pwede kang magluto. Diba? So si Mr. Wilson, no? Kuan kayo ang iyang accommodation, exceptional. So maayong kuan for travelers, highly recommended ang place. So gusto mong kumuha ng soft drinks, kuan siya dito. You can cook also, but you have to list yung kinuha mo. And may water. That's a basic necessity. Clean, safe, may parking, and exceptional hospitality. Yung room, tignan natin quickly yung room para alam nyo. No? Okay na. No? You go here in Siquijor. No? Kami naman, we have traveled to more than 100 destinations local. This is yung room niya.
Pa may ano ka dyan? 30?
30?
Or 26?
Okay na, huh? 30 pesos?
Yes.
Sige. Okay.